Get ready. 3 seconds to go. Start. Can you imagine a world without human beings? Question mark. Who would have utilized the resources and created social and cultural environment? Question mark. The people are important to develop the economy and the society. Full stop. The people make and use resources and are themselves resources with varying quality. Full stop. Coal is but a piece of rock, comma, until people were able to invent technology to obtain it and make it a resource. Full stop. Natural events, comma, like a flood or a tsunami, comma, becomes a disaster only when they affect a crowded village or a town. Full stop. Hence, comma, population is the pivotal element in social studies. Full stop. It is the point of reference from which all other elements are observed and from which they derive significance and meaning. Full stop. Resource, comma, calamities and disasters are all meaningful only in relation to human beings. Full stop. Their numbers, comma, distribution, comma, growth and characteristics or qualities provide the basic background for understanding and appreciating all aspects of the environment. Full stop. Human beings are producers and consumers of Earth's resources. Full stop. Therefore, comma, it is important to know how many people are there in a country, comma, where do they live, comma, how and why their numbers are increasing and what are their characteristics. Full stop. The census of India provides us with information regarding the population of our country. Full stop. Para change. We are primarily concerned with three major questions about population. First, population size and distribution. How many people are there and where are they located? Question mark. Second, population growth and processes of population change. How has the population grown and changed through time? Question mark. Third, characteristics or qualities of the population. What are their age, comma, sex, comma, composition, comma, literacy levels, comma, occupational structure and health conditions? Question mark. Parachange. Population size and distribution. India's population size and distribution by numbers. India's population as on March 2011 stood at 1210.6 million, comma, which account for 17.5% of the world's population. Full stop. These 1.21 billion people are unevenly distributed over our country's vast area of 3.28 million square kilometer, comma, which accounts for 2.4% of the world's area. Full stop. Para change. The 2011 census data reveal that Uttar Pradesh, with a population size of 199 million, is the most populous state of India. Full stop. Uttar Pradesh accounts for about 16% of the country's population. Full stop. On the other hand, comma, Himalayan state of Sikkim has a population of just about 0.6 million and Lakshadweep has only 64,429 people. Full stop. Para change. Almost half of India's population lives in just 5 states. Full stop. These are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. Full stop. Rajasthan, the biggest state in terms of area, has only 5.5% of the total population of India. Full stop. Para change. India's population distribution by density. Population density provides a better picture of the uneven distribution. Full stop. Population dense calculated as the number of persons per unit area, full stop. India is one of the most densely populated countries of the world, full stop, parachange. The population density of India in the year 2011 was 382 persons per square kilometer, full stop. Densities vary from 1102 persons per square kilometer in Bihar to only 70 persons per square kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. Full stop. The study of the figure shows the pattern of uneven distribution of population densities at the state level. Full stop. Parachange. Note the states with population densities below 250 persons per square kilometer, full stop. Rugged terrain and unfavorable climate conditions are primarily responsible for sparse population in these areas, full stop. Which states have density below 250 persons per square kilometer, question mark, parachange. Assam and most of the peninsular states have moderate population densities, full stop. Hilly, comma, dissected and rocky nature of the terrain, comma, moderate to low rainfall, comma, shallow and less fertile soils have influenced population densities in these areas, full stop, parachange. The northern plains and Kerala in the south have high to very high population densities because of the flat plains with fertile soils and abundant rainfall, full stop. Identify the three states of the northern plains with high population densities, full stop. Population growth and processes of population change. Population is a dynamic phenomenon. Full stop. The numbers, comma, distribution and composition of the population are constantly changing. Full stop. This is the influence of the interaction of the three processes, comma, namely births, comma, death and migrations. Full stop. Parachange. Population growth. Growth of population refers to the change in the number of inhabitants of a country oblique territory during a specific period of time, comma, say during the last 10 years, full stop. Such a change can be expressed in two ways, in terms of absolute numbers and in terms of percentage change per year, full stop. The absolute numbers added each year or decade is the magnitude of increase, full stop. It is obtained by simply subtracting the earlier population, example that of 2001, from the later population, example that of 2011, full stop. It is referred to as the absolute increase, full stop, parachange. The rate or the pace of population increase is the other important aspect, full stop. It is studied in percent per annum, comma, example, a rate of increase of 2% per annum means that in a given year, comma, there was an increase of 2 persons for every 100 persons in the base population, full stop. This is referred to as the annual growth rate, full stop. India's population has been steadily increasing from 361 million in 1951 to 1210 million in 2011, full stop, parachange. Since 1981, comma, however, comma, the rate of growth started declining gradually, full stop. During this period, comma, birth rate declined rapidly, full stop. Still, 182 million people were added to the total population in the 1990s alone, full stop. It is essential to realize that India has a very large population, full stop. When a low annual rate is applied to a very large population, comma, it yields a large absolute increase, full stop. When more than a billion people increase even at a lower rate, comma, the total number being added becomes very large, full stop. India's annual increase in population is large enough to neutralize efforts to conserve the resource endowment and environment, full stop.